Hey guys, back with another video for my addicted blogging channel. So in this video I will be discussing about the Spotify tips and tricks in the watch, and definitely these tips and tricks are very useful if you are using the Spotify app, which is a must-have app, and all tips and tricks you will be getting to know in this video. So make sure you are watching the video till the end. But before that, if you already yourself, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the Spotify app in the watch works flawlessly, and you can see the Spotify app not only looks good, it has a beautiful always on display if you are playing any of the song, and obviously you will be getting a lot of new features in this Spotify app also. And the watch has the latest One UI 8, which means it will support the Now bar also, like the Samsung One UI, which it comes in the phone. The same One UI is in the watch, so definitely this will be a really good way to listen and to do multitask in the watch. So first of all, let's see what other tips and tricks I will be showing you in the Spotify app. So the first thing we can do is, if we're playing any song via the Spotify app, we can fast forward the song now in the One UI 8 by holding the next button for some time, and you can see the fast forward works really well, and you can just rewind also, which is really awesome to have on the watch. So this is first which is introduced in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. In the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 or previous version of One UI, this option was not there. Next thing we can do is obviously search for particular artist or track directly from the watch to listen to the music. So if I want to listen to Pitbull, I can just search directly by typing the name Pitbull. I can go to the artist and play all the songs which I want. So this is something new in the watch, because previously it only shows the most played songs or the playlist which you have saved, but now you can just directly search people or artists or tracks or albums and listen to it directly from the watch. So the next thing is about the Now bar. So if I am playing any song and go to the home screen, you will be seeing the Now bar, which looks absolutely fantastic on the watch. The song just blurs away and shows in the watch, which is new. And obviously you can also customize this Now bar. So if I am just opening another app in here like the timer, what are the results you will be able to see. How the Now bar works is, I can just tap on this and go to the particular app directly. So this is how Now bar works, but very important thing if you are multitasking or listening to music at the same time. And the Now bar shows also the full song name, so this is really good. Next thing what we can do is, we can just increase or decrease the volume by just placing the thumb on the edge of the screen of the watch, which is really good, because previously we need to go to this option and then tap or increase and decrease the volume like this, but now we can do it directly from the play screen itself. Next thing what we can do is, we can download the tracks from the Spotify app directly. So to download the tracks, definitely what we can do is click on this plus sign. Once it goes to the plus sign, we can just swipe right, go to this option, click on the playlist, and once you are in the playlist, click on like song, and there will be a download option. You can download all the songs at once, or we can set the download button on, and whichever songs we will be placing in the like song option, it will be downloaded at once, which is really good. So this is how you can download all the songs and keep the songs offline to listen to it at later time. Definitely this is a very important thing to have on the watch. Next thing what we can do is, we can just swipe up, and there will be three options: a sleep timer option, a repeat option, and obviously the shuffle option. So this we can modify on our own if we want, and obviously we will be getting all the specific artists and albums at one place which we listen a lot, so that we can just browse to the song and play it at once. And obviously this is a really handy option. Again, we can click on this option and we can just go to artist, and this will show all the artists which I used to listen. And if I go to artist name, you can see again I can play the music, click on the plus sign and download it for offline listening. The next thing which you can do is play the music via the speaker of the watch, and this is a really nice trick. So if I am just playing a music, you can see this is the watch option. You have to select this, and after that you have to just choose the watch speaker, and the music will start playing from the speaker of the watch, which is really good because this is one of the really best feature I am seeing in the One UI 8, because this feature is not available or in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So definitely this is a really good feature. The next feature you can say is you can add widgets to just listen to music, and the media player will be start playing the music over your watch. And you can see there are specific functions in here also, like you can just control the media, and obviously you can just go fast forward or go to the next track, and definitely this looks good also. Any media you are playing on the watch, it will play via the media player of the watch only. So this is a really good option. This widget you can add by clicking on this plus sign, and you can see this type of widgets are available, and there are a lot of widgets which you can add. And if you swipe right, you can even add a Spotify tile. So this is a Spotify tile which you can just access by clicking on it. So both of the options are there, but I like the widget a lot because it shows you the music information on the go. So this is what I wanted to show you guys, all the tricks which you can use with this Spotify in your Samsung Galaxy Watch. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.